Sorry. The ball is too big for your mouth, yeah? The ball is damaged. Thank you, my love. Good girl. Ay, very good. Ay. Ali lang, mama. Sit down, mama. Ha. Come on, give me the ball. Yeah. Lovely. Thank you, my love. Good. Martin Jacob. Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to my life. Where are you from, Martin? Hello, Sir Martin. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. If morning in your country, good morning to you. Welcome to my live. Ouch. Okay. Go backward, oy. Don't sit so close to me. Okay, thank you for bringing the ball back. Go backward. Backward, you cannot catch if you're so close to me. Oh, see. Don't so close to me. Come on. Okay. Hi, Mariel. Mahinay. Can I see your face? Mahinay. Mahinay is... Saan mo? Tikisa ba mahinay? I have classmate before my high school life. Mahinay. Shout out. Pa-shout out. Yes, shout out to Meryl Mahinay from Philippines. Hey, baby loves. Are you okay, my sweetheart? Where are you going, brother Louis? What's your name? My name is Golden. And my dog's name is Kiara. Thank you. Thank you for bringing the ball back. Alright. Thank you for catching. Very nice catch. Yeah, all people calling me Golden.